Very good morning. Today we are discussing about examples of area overview display. After obtaining a summary of the plant status, the operator can move down to the next level to look at the situation in a selected plant area. The figure shows a composite of four these types. The top line of the displays is the system date and status line described previously. The upper left quadrant illustrates area display type known as deviation overview, which displays in bar graph from the deviation key process variables from their corresponding set points. The lower left quadrant of figure shows a variation of this approach in which a bar graph indicates the absolute value of the process variable instead of its deviation from set point. Some versions of this display also show the set point and high and low alarm limits on the process variable. When one of these limit exceeds, the bar graph changes color. Here the example areas overview display. Here the display unit in the area of gasifier. Here the first one, then oxidants, second one preset 1, then preset 2, then oil, and then stump, and then heat. Here the color changing in the graphical method: general, reheat, then cool water, and hydro, and the graphical representation of the example of area overview display. Here the displacement of the preheater, then first one is the temperature level, then degree of feed temperature from 22%, and then degree of the next temperature 63 degree percentage, and another temperature 616 degree Fahrenheit. Here the feedback valve open or closed, then heat exchanger start or stop. Here the average output temperature, then output flow from the temperature point. That means graphical display. Alarm and operational status process variables in plant, but control record display similar to panel board instrumentations. Group level displays to perform control operations. However, it is necessary to use the display at the next lower level in the hierarchy. The group level of manual and automatic stations for continuous control loops occupy the upper left hand corner of the display. The upper right hand section shows the indicator station that let us operator view selected process variables. The bottom half of the display is devoted to the plotting that turns one or more process variables as a function of time, switching from one group display to another equivalent. The operator move around panel boards accomplish the monitoring and control functions. Here the alarm and temperature functions in the variable of the graphical representation in the alarm operational status of process variable in the plant, but to control record display similar to the panel board instrumentation. Then Graph and displays includes a piping and instrumentation diagram. Here the lower pressure and the high pressure. Here the condensate extraction pump to the then economizer, then economizer to the boiler, then boiler to the then air heater to display the temperature level in the auto mode and the manual mode. That is example of control graphic display. Group graphics display include piping and instrumentation diagram. Here the diagram will be represented for the distillation column graphic display, and the next is a graphical terms of the pressure and temperature parameters. It will be represented for the pressure and temperature graphical representation. X-ray operating display in the graphical form. Here the operators uses a few types of display dealing with a single loops or data points for control and analysis purpose. The figure one X-ray operating display, here one process variable is plotted as a function of another to show the current operating point of pair variables. The operators then can compare this operation point against an alarm limit curve or an operating limit curve. In the example, the combination of temperature and pressure for a particular portion of the process may be critical to safety. And an example of tuning display in figure, the display includes several elements that makes the tuning functional possible. A fast trend plotting capability, a manual automatic station to allow the operator to control loop, a list of tuning parameters, example proportional band reset rate, derivative rate associated with the loop. Here the graphical representation used to the operator instrument engineer. Here the tuning of the displacement of temperature. Design consideration of display, not cluttered, simple as a simple, not flashy and a proper background for display. Top few lines display common information. Proper color conservation of industry. For color blind, use underline blinking. Display select commands, then cursor movement commands, then control input commands, then data inputs. Thank you.